Hello, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default PDF viewer on your Android device. So just go to the top right and go to Settings, and then scroll on down to Apps. So you might accidentally pick the wrong application to use as your default. So go to Apps right here. Now on the top right, there should be three little dots. Tap that. And then we can go to Reset App Preferences. This will reset all your preferences for your apps, disable apps, notifications, background data, restrictions, permissions, etc. So we can just go to reset, and whatever our default apps are should be reset. And the next time you open up the application, it should ask you for which program you want to use. So you can download Adobe Acrobat right here through the Google Play Store or wherever. And then next time you open up a PDF file, it should ask you which application you want to use, and you can just use Adobe right here. So just go and just download Adobe from the App Store, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.